Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install YouTube on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. So first of all, we are not going to be using the app gallery since it sucks. Instead we are going to be using Gbox. And if you're wondering how to actually use Gbox and how to install it, it's really simple, though we do have a tutorial on that, and it is called how to install Google Play Store on your Huawei device. So now all we have to do is just go into YouTube and hit install. And after we wait for a moment, we should be able to just open it. And now we have our YouTube here. And what important thing is that the YouTube itself is not really a YouTube. It's just a clone version of YouTube made by Gbox. And if you try to search for something, for example, for example, for YouTube. Oh, it is pre-installed. Oh, that's funny. Or is it? Nope, it is not, since it's open. It is opening our Gbox, and if it would be like a real application, it would just open our YouTube like normally. And that's really all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.